Om Shanti, very good morning to one and all. Today, 12th November 2020, Baba is telling sweet children, the things that the Father teaches you now are your source of income, that is for 21 birth. Therefore, study very well and you will be constantly happy. Today question, why the super sensuous joy of your children remembered? Answer, because it is only you children who knows the Father at this time. Only you come to know the beginning, the middle and the end of the world from the Father. You are now standing at the confluence in the unlimited. You know that you are now going across the salty channel to the sweet channel of nectar. God Himself is teaching you. Only you Brahmins experience this happiness. This is why only your super sensuous joy has been remembered. Essence for Dharana, number 1 point. We are goldly student. Therefore, we should have the intoxication of the study and also be concerned about our character. Do not miss this study for even a day. Do not insult the teacher by arriving late for class. Do not insult the teacher by arriving late for class. Do not miss this study for even a day also. Number 2, have a distaste for this vicious, dirty world. Have a disheartened for this vicious, dirty world. Make effort to make yourself a soul, a pure soul, and try to be Sotopradhan by having remembrance of the Father. Always remain happy and cheerful. Today blessing, while you are receiving the blessing, visualize that Bab Dada's hand is above your head and you are receiving the blessing. May you remain free from karmic bondage and become double light while doing service with vehicle of your subtle body. May you remain free from karmic bondage and become double light while doing service with the vehicle of your subtle body. Your subtle body is just a vehicle and you are the soul, you are the driver. So just as you remain busy in doing physical godly service with your physical body, in the same way you also simultaneously have to do subtle service with your subtle body. Just as the establishment grew through Brahma, in the same way with this use of your subtle body and the vision of your combined Shiv Shakti form, the tax of vision and giving the message will take place. What Baba is telling? Now through your subtle body, like the Brahma, in the same way with this use of your subtle body and the vision of your combined Shiv Shakti form, the tax of vision and giving the message will take place. Now, in this time, how our Brahma Baba in the subtle form is doing service, Baba is telling we, the children, are going to do this kind of subtle service through our subtle body. However, to do this service, you have to remain constantly free from karmic bondage and be double light even while you are at work. Means to doing this kind of subtle service with your subtle body, we have to be free from our karmic bondage and try to be practice the stage of double light even while we are working. Then today's slogan, the fortune of being respected by everyone is merged in the renunciation of respect. The fortune of being respected by everyone is merged in the renunciation of respect. The fortune of being respected, it's very important point, by everyone is merged in the renunciation of respect. जब आप त्याग के द्वारा सम्मान प्राप्त करने वाले, जितना सम्मान के त्याग करेंगे, रिनाउंसिएशन ऑफ रेस्पेक्ट, रिनाउंसिएशन मीन्स त्याग, रेस्पेक्ट सम्मान के त्याग जो करते हैं वो सम्मान पाने की भाग्य बनाते हैं. ओम शांति. हैव ए गुड डे. गॉड ब्लेस यू.
अपनी रखना, नजरों में अपनी रखना, तू मुझको हर पल नजरों में अपनी रखना, नजरों में अपनी रखना, तू मुझको हर पल, बस इतनी सी कर देना प्रभु मुझ पे तू महर, नजरों में अपनी रखना, नजरों में अपनी रखना। सिवा ना मुझको कोई और देख पाए, कोई और देख पाए, नजरों में अपनी रखना, तू मुझको यूं समाए, तू मुझको यूं समाए, तेरे सिवा ना मुझको कोई और देख पाए, नजरों में अपनी रखना, तू मुझको यूं समाए, बार बार कहती है, बार बार कहती है, मन की यही लहर, बार बार कहती है, मन की यही लहर, बस इतनी सी कर देना प्रभु मुझ पे तू महर, नजरों में अपनी रखना, नजरों में अपनी रखना। नजरों की तेरी भाषा भरती है मुझ में आशा, भरती है मुझ में आशा, नजरों से तुमने अपनी मुझे खूब है तराशा, मुझे खूब है तराशा, नजरों की तेरी भाषा भरती है मुझ में आशा, नजरों से तुमने अपनी मुझे खूब है तराशा, समा तेरी नजरों में, समा तेरी नजरों में, मैं जाऊं वहीं ठहर, समा तेरी नजरों में, मैं जाऊं वहीं ठहर, बस इतनी सी कर देना प्रभु मुझ पे तू महर, नजरों में अपनी रखना, नजरों में अपनी रखना। नजरें तुम्हारी पल पल जीवन मेरा सवारे, जीवन मेरा सवारे, दिखते तेरी नजर में स्वर्गिक हमें नजारे, स्वर्गिक हमें नजारे, नजरें तुम्हारी पल पल जीवन मेरा सवारे, दिखते तेरी नजर में स्वर्गिक हमें नजारे, तेरी नजर में देखी, तेरी नजर में देखी खुशियों की नई सहर, तेरी नजर में देखी खुशियों की नई सहर, बस इतनी सी कर देना प्रभु मुझ पे तू महर नजरों में अपनी रखना, नजरों में अपनी रखना।